Welcome to the final part of the Henry Honda Cub build. If you're new to this series, then this is the last part. But basically, a Cub owned by Steve, a friend of mine, his bike was stolen, dumped in a lake, and I said, okay, well, I'll try and repair it and get it back on the road for you. About to do the reveal. You're about to see the reveal. And it kind of encapsulates what I think we all feel when it comes to bikes. Like, you don't want to... You get that kind of like personalised attachment with them. It's quite hard for certain people to not understand that, or maybe now people less understand it that people just buy bikes on finance and trade them in before they even get used to them, or they really get like personal to them, sort of thing. Because no one seems to outright buy bikes anymore. It seems that people just get them on finance and then at the end of 3 years just trade them in for the latest and greatest, and don't really have any sense of attachment to it. Partly, I don't know, mixed on that, because they are just machines, but they do, I don't know, we do get attached to them for some reason. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Here's Henry.
Oh, Eric. No. I can't believe it.
Oh, you on?
What's that? I almost want to cry now. It's really Henry.
Yeah, it's really Henry.
Oh, no way.
Yes, way.
From what?
3D printed it.
My eyes are going. Henry. How did you...
Designed it myself.
What, you've got a 3D printer?
Yeah. I design little bits. I can design it myself. But I was umming and ahhing, so I haven't glued it on yet, because I was thinking, I wasn't sure if it would be good in red or gold.
How do you do all of this?
So I wasn't sure if this took a long time, and I kept it out of the videos. So it was like an added surprise.
Oh,
I think the red one looks better though.
that is Henry, mate.
Right.
You're alive, dude.
Do you want to give him a quick start?
No, you do the honours. You do the honours.
You want to get your phone out and make a video of that?
Yes! I mean... Oh! Oh! I can't genuinely... He's alive! Henry!
That one's cold. Needs to tune him up a little bit, but he's not too
Oh,
bad.
Henry! Sorry, Perry, let me get a picture of this moment. This
It all
is...
works. Lights.
Oh... Wow. Let me get one. Henry! It's like a... You brought it back to life, Perry.
Yeah. Sounds good.
I'd accepted a few years ago that the end was... It was... I'd almost just said it's never going to happen now.
Yeah. There's a few things left to do.
Oh,
So it's not, but that tank came out, that's all rubbish off the seat, because it's really costly,
Yeah.
but yeah, it's, that paintwork came out really well,
it's stunning.
considering that's just me rattle canning it. So I got that rubber piece, because it was missing that rubber piece.
Okay.
So yeah, there's lots of little bits like that, they cost like little bits of money here and there, you know. The 4 bolts that I need is just to do the chain guard.
Okay.
So I got the chain guard, it fits on and everything. This is just a bit, you have to get used to that. There we go, got it. Yeah, I've got the chain guard in there, and he just needs 4 bolts to go on, and then that's alright.
But he's still Henry.
Yeah.
Because it's funny, I showed Mum the pictures of the red one that your friend built, and she said, oh, that's amazing. She said, but it's Henry. I said, no. I said, and Perry agreed. He should always
Be that
be
way.
Henry. Like, it's the most perfect thing ever.
Honda Henry Cub. See, I just, because even though it was all cracked and broken, I thought just repair that,
Yes.
keep its character.
Yeah, because it truly,
I'll glue that on properly.
it truly is Henry.
Don't ask me how long it took, but it took a long time.
Wow. So the lights all kind of work?
Everything works, everything works. He's ready for an MOT. I've got the V5 now, so I can message someone and, well, maybe book him in this week, next week, something, I don't know, we'll see. I'll run him down for an MOT and then see what happens. Basically, see what goes from there, because it could find something that I've
Yeah,
missed.
of course they do. Oh, that's how these things go.
Yeah, so I need to order 4 more bolts because I don't have them there. Very short bolts for the swing, for the chain guard, and that is literally it. And I'll tally up the final results, but it's whatever I said to you. It's maybe like another 20 quid on top.
Oh,
that's it. You know, I have to.
It's Henry. Look at him.
So, I think this side is from me. This side is from Terry. The chain case is from Terry. The shock nuts came
What
from
do the
Terry.
guys think of Henry coming back to life?
Oh, they're all for it.
Like, and they're happy that we want him.
Yeah, they're all for it.
Like fully Henry.
Yeah, they're all.
Because I did wonder. It's funny. I wondered if it would upset people that we weren't doing a pristine.
Oh, I think someone. I've had a few comments about that.
Good.
But I don't
Let
care.
them.
Yeah,
Let
no,
them.
that's standard.
Because you're happy.
That's
like,
OEM Henry, that is. Not
well,
OEM
yes.
Honda, OEM
Yeah,
Henry.
and that's the thing. Like when you were like, yeah, no, I agree. It was really. That was what I truly would have loved. You know, is what we've done. But if you said to me, Steve, it's wrong, we need to do it.
No.
I would have accepted it. I truly would have.
So a few days later, we booked him in for an MOT and took him down. Yes, it is me riding. I got the honour to ride him to the MOT. And Steve followed me in the car just in case there was any issues. We could always put him in the back of the car again. Chain guards rubbing. His chain guard's rubbing a bit.
Oh, is that what I can see you checking?
Yeah, I was like, I'm sure it's the chain guard. But see, I took him for a ride without the chain guard on.
Oh.
I only fit the chain guard yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I'll just whip it off quick. What's the time?
Just coming up to 5:30.
Oh, we've got loads of time. So what I'll do is take this off, stick it in your car. I think it's the bottom one. Let me just ride round a bit in the car park. Well, I'll take the bottom one off, and then if it's that, then we know.
Apart from that, he sounds all right, doesn't he?
Yeah. Yeah, he's alright. He's not punking anymore. So it's the bottom chain guard it was, yeah. Smells hot. All that Chinesian moisture probably burning off right now. Oh, we almost died then. Definitely up to temperature now, he must be. Always do your lifesavers, because you never know when you could get rear-ended by a cyclist not paying attention. Henry passed his MOT only with one small advisory: do the other side of the bushing, because I only did one side. There was still a little bit of play on the other side. Henry got a nice big thumbs up from an old guy in a van. I've already got your thumbs up. Right, so we're up to this bit now. I've got the scrappy top box that Henry had. We're going to clean it up, change the lock over and refit it. We lost the keys for it, so we had to, luckily though, I asked around And they said just use another Rickman key, and I actually stuck in my Rickman key for my top box, and it eventually turned. It wasn't a smooth turn, so I think we're just going to replace the lock. It was a very, you know, hold it in at a certain angle and not all the way, and then it turns straight away. So it could you reuse that lock, but yeah, for the sake of like a tenner, we can replace this key. So that's what we're going to do, and clean this up, and then attach it to the bike. Right, so I've cleaned it up, cleaned it up a little bit, and installed the new key. Key turns, it opens, and I even installed a bit of string because you've got to protect these, because even though this one is already cracked here, let's not let it spread across to all the others, because they tend to break if you don't have the little string to stop it from going all the way. So yeah, that works, and it can be locked. Yeah, good. Next step, wing mirrors, and done. So yeah, top box is on. Replace the key. Key's all good. What else have we done? Done all the front bushings. Stuck on these wing mirrors. So yeah, he's ready to go back to the owner. So that's the end of the series, I guess. Okay, we need to do some run-ins and carb tuning, but that's for another time, I think. That'll just be as and when. Right then, so thank you very much for watching. That's the finishing the build, and Henry's on the road. He's passed the MOT. Apart from tiny little snaggings here and there, it's all good. It's all ready to go. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you did like the series, drop it a like, leave a comment, whatever. Catch you in the next project, build, or whatever video it will be. Goodbye.